Greetings, fellow travelers and festival enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the heart of Europe to explore some of the most captivating and lively celebrations that this incredible continent has to offer. From ancient traditions to modern extravaganzas, Europe knows how to throw a party. So grab your dancing shoes and join us as we count down the top 7 European festivals and celebrations. We're heading to Spain for a truly unique celebration, La Tomatina. This is the world's largest food fight, where participants hurl ripe tomatoes at each other in a friendly battle of red splendor. It's a wild and messy fiesta that takes place in the charming town of Buñol, a fantastic way to release some stress and, well, have a saucy good time. Prepare to be enchanted as we enter the captivating world of the Venice Carnival. This elegant and historic masquerade has roots dating back to the 12th century. Picture yourself amidst a sea of elaborately adorned masks, grand gowns, and the iconic Venetian canals. It's a magical celebration where you can immerse yourself in the timeless beauty of Italy's most romantic city. Diversity shines bright in Europe, and nowhere is this more evident than during Diwali, the festival of lights, celebrated by millions of Hindus, Sikhs, and Jains across the continent. Witness the vibrant displays of lamps, intricate rangoli art, and the joyful spirit of families coming together to mark the victory of light over darkness. It's a beautiful celebration of unity and hope. Let's head to Scotland, where creativity takes the stage at the Edinburgh Festival Fringe. This is the world's largest arts festival, featuring a mind-boggling array of performances from theater and comedy to music and dance. The entire city transforms into a vibrant showcase of talent, making it a must-visit for culture enthusiasts and those seeking unforgettable entertainment. Now, we're celebrating the Irish spirit in Dublin during St. Patrick's Day. Get ready for a sea of green as the city comes alive with parades, traditional music, and that warm Irish hospitality. Whether you're Irish or just Irish at heart, this festive day is a fantastic way to experience the joy and camaraderie that makes St. Patrick's Day a global celebration. Lastly, experience the grandeur of Bastille Day in the heart of Paris. Celebrate French unity and liberty with stunning fireworks at the Eiffel Tower, military parades, and lively street parties. It's a patriotic and festive extravaganza that captures the essence of France's rich history and vibrant culture. And there you have it. Each event is a unique opportunity to experience the rich cultures, traditions, and joy that make Europe an unforgettable destination. Which of these festivals are you adding to your must-visit list? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting journeys and fascinating facts.